cannot give you peace. Fame cannot give you peace. Authority cannot give you peace. Power cannot give you peace. Prestigious life cannot give you peace. Whatever you do, wherever you be, and whatever you become, you will never find peace until you make Jesus Christ your Lord.
Yes, this is Grandpa Trinityville Mayor. I have to give my testimony because I go and tell you something, people, and it is not a lie. I serious something, you know, Grandpa not tell lie. Today I was at my home, you understand me? And me I say, no, say I full time I pray to Father God. And I bend down on my knee and put my head on the bed. And I'm praying to Father God. I say, Father God, you know this is Trinityville Mayor. And a lot of things have been given to us. So Father God, I want you to show me a sign that the Trinityville people, is time for the people them to make them own decision to see who them want for them counselor for run up Trinityville's direction. You understand me? I'm going to say, Father God, I need to show me a sign to make me know, say, a truth me attack and a lie me I tell, and a time for the people them stand up for themselves and make them own decision and decide who they want to be them counselor. Me say, same time me hear the place start shake up, me people start shake up. So me I say, no sir, I must be boy I shake up the bed. You understand me? Because me say God show me sign. At the same time I hear the place start shake up. So me I say no, I gotta show. I must be little boy. You know, I jerk up the bed. And when me open me eye and look, me not see me little boy. So me say, boy, where you there? He hand at the bed frightened. That's what me say. I heard Craig pass through. 2 days after the Prime Minister passed through St. Thomas, you understand me? So me I say, God, show me sign for say a time for the people them decide who they want to run for them counselor up in Trinityville's direction, Somerset, Mount Lebanon, and God did show me the sign, and the earthquake was 5.1. Me people, me I tell you, say, I heard correct there, and I say, God show me the sign, and I say, yes, a time for the people them stand up for themselves and fight for justice. Amen. God bless you, because me can bless you.
Thank for watching.